serpentine. Let them say what they want, she won't stop trying. Oh, you know, she might stumble if they push her around. She might fall, but she'll never lie down. It's not so bad. And I say, hey, 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 it's just an ordinary day, and it's all your state of mind. At the end of the day, you just got to say it's alright.
You keep saying you got something for me, something you call love, but confess you've been a messin' where you shouldn't have been a messin', and now someone else is getting all your best. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Yeah. You keep lying when you ought to be truthin', and you keep losing when you ought to not bet. You keep saying it when you ought to be a-changin'. Now what's right is right, but you ain't been right yet. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. You keep playing where you shouldn't be playing, and you keep thinking that you'll never get burned. Ha! I just found me a brand new box of matches, yeah. And what he knows you ain't had time to learn. These boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. One of these days these boots are gonna walk all over you. Are you ready, Boots? Start walking.
Am I leaving you tomorrow? I can't see. Is this how ask a favor of the sea. Return my blue-eyed sailor boy safely back to me. Forgive me if I ask too much, I will not ask for more. But I shall weep until he sleeps safe upon the shore. As though the sea did hear her plea, a vision did appear. The drifting tip of some wrecked ship came floating ever near. A figure there did cling to it, approaching more and more, as if to ride on some strange tide, safe upon the shore. So give a sailor not your heart, lest sorrow you do seek. Let true love not be torn apart by favors from the sea. My love, she cried as she espied the figure on the spar. His clean white shirt was drenched and torn, he must have floated far. She thought with bliss how she would kiss the lips she did adore. And oh, how sweet to see his feet safe upon the shore. So give a sailor not your heart, lest sorrow you do seek. Let true love not be torn apart by favors from the sea. As she drew near, she felt a fear that something was astray. His mouth was slack and his blue eyes stared blindly at the day. And in a daze she turned her gaze from the corpse the driftwood bore. And the cold, cold sea pushed ruthlessly safe upon the shore. So give a sailor not your heart, lest sorrow you do seek. Let true love not be torn apart by favors from the sea. Now fishermen, they cast their nets like miners pan for gold. And sailors push off from the docks and pray the gales will hold. The sea just sits silently, but sometimes she does more.
place for 2 days, near or death, but you go. Well, I'm a processed man am I, and I'm telling you no lie. I work and breathe among the fumes that trail across the sky. There's thunder all around me, and there's poison in the air. There's a lousy smell that smacks of hell and dust all in me hair. And it's go, boys, go. They'll time your every breath. And every day you're in this place, your 2 days, near or death. But you go. Well, I've worked among the spinners and I breathe the oily smoke. I've shoveled up the gypsum and at nigh on made you choke. I've stood knee deep in... In Charming Town, they call the rising sun, and it's been